So I kind of did a thing today. I just picked up some new wheels. Come on, let's check it out. Ooh, ta-da. Got some work. Meisters. S1HC. See right there. 17 by 8.5, -10 offset for the Tacoma. And it is marked. So this is basically bronze. I have it on all of them. Instead of 4, I gotta get a 5th one day. But I will one day. So huge shout out to Showstoppers for getting the wheels in rather quickly. Literally I just had they were actually inbound and I was able to snag a set before they all got sold out. But yeah, I can't wait to slap these bad boys on. Still debating on the tires to get. I know I have a relationship with Toyo tires, so maybe I'll lean that route, but I also have some really good reviews with the BF Goodrich KO2s, and the Ridge grapplers look pretty good, Nito tires. Which Nito would be okay, because it's kind of the sister company, but I know it's kind of like a brother, sister, or sibling rivalry kind of thing where they kind of don't really jive together, even though they live in the same house. I don't know, it's just what I hear. But definitely so stoked about these wheels. Put them in the flatbed, and with all the coronavirus and all the protests going on and looting, 2020 has been a pretty crazy year. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home and see how they well, I'm just gonna put them away for a while until I get my tires, and then work on the suspension. So yeah, my first official mod are these tires. Not bad. All right. Woo! Finally home. So just came back from Glendale, Showstoppers USA, off Victory Boulevard. Just picked up my wheels, and look what I got. Got some work wheels. Anyways, we're gonna go open these babies up and kind of look at it. I only brought one, but I'm just gonna look at it because I want to. And Baby Yoda is here with me, testing it out. I got my TRD water bottle with no water. Thank you, Toyota, for this. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open these babies up. Got my little Rambo Bowie knife. Let's see what we got here. All right. Let's knock up myself here. Ooh, like a glove. Nice. All right. So the reason why I got these is, well, let me start back. There's 3 wheels that I'm looking at. You have the, of course, TE37X. That's always something I've always wanted. But then I realized that there's a chance that these wheels are gonna get really messed up, or at least lightly scuffed or whatever, depending on what I do and how hard I go off-roading. Which I really don't plan on doing some like crazy rock climbing, but light trails, a little venture here and there, I'm so down, because I'm not doing any crazy overlanding or anything like that, but I'm definitely down to have a good time. And that's why, because my truck is my daily driver, and I really just want to have a nice vehicle to actually rely on. Yeah, I'll be adding a lift and all that stuff, and this is kind of the first step, is getting the wheels. Well, it's wheels, then wheels and tires, because you need tires. And then I'll get the suspension, which will be not a crazy lift, but a lift indeed to clear these tires that I want to put, and which I'll do in another video. And I got to do some trimming. So that's just kind of what happens. So I'm aiming for 33s, and hopefully maybe in the future, not too near, maybe go 35s. Not sure. And that's another. Oh, so a little recap. So I'm used to the car world where you just know the thread and the size of the tire and offset. But I guess when it comes to trucks, you add them all up together and then you have like these sizes. So it's usually like 31s, 32s, 33, 34, 35, and the numbers go all the way up. But I think Tacoma specifically, it's usually like the stock comes in like 31-ish, and then most people upgrade and make it kind of a little like in a 32 range. So 33 is kind of like where you have to kind of think about doing some more modifications to your vehicle. And 35s, you definitely got to do it. And also with that, you have to re-gear, which is basically what I'm understanding is your diff. You're re-gearing it, and so you're able to reclaim your lost mileage because you added so much weight and you lifted your vehicle. And as far as I know, because I'm still new to the Tacoma world or the truck world and all that fun stuff because I'm more of a car guy. Because my last car was a 370, and now I'm doing a Tacoma build. This time I'm documenting it all. And as far as that, I'm also, excited. Plus, I'll be doing a lot of videos and stuff for like pictures and tutorials and media-related things. But let's get into it. All right. So open this sucker up. Okay, cool. Comes in like a little box here. My microphone is in the way. I'm not going to do that. I don't want to take it off because it's a pain to put it on. So look, it comes in a little box just like this. I guess it's like some type of like, it's not really going to do anything. Just kind of holding it. And, I feel there's like a plastic thing on it, around it. All right, let me go stop. Oh, stop. It's just stuck there. So you got this plastic. Let's put that down there. And then you got this little protector. Oh yeah, by the way, I just picked up these wheels. Like, they got delivered to their shop, and I picked it up that same exact day, within hours. I was able to get off work early and got it from Showstoppers. So yeah, definitely check them out. Got a small shop, but dude, they got some cool stuff there. But yeah, this is the what is this? Protector thingy. And it has like a little cloth thing on it. So let's see the wheel. Oh my gosh, look at these. Check that out. Let me lift it up. Oh, it looks like it's taped. So, in the bottom of the box, you can't really see it, but there's like a little instruction. It's all in Japanese. Can't really read it. There's some pictures. I don't know. Figure that out. There's some tape on the box. So it has the work sticker. And take a look at that right there. I don't know if you can really see it, but a sticker and like a little piece for the wheel, most likely right here. And so put that down. Whew, this thing got me sweating. Okay, so let me lift this sucker up again. Actually, let me put it in the ground and I'll lift it up. Oh, brand spanking new. So let's get it out there. Damn, how much does this thing weigh? So there we go. So cool. Always wanted a Meisters. So the last wheels I had were actually TE37 SLs for my 370. So it's kind of cool. It was either a toss-up between the 37s or the work Meisters for the 370, but I ended up getting the Volks TEs because I love that design. In fact, I would have got it again, but I just wanted a price-wise and everything, and maybe even style decision. I didn't want to do TEs again, so I got my next best favorite is those Meisters, and I've always wanted them. So they're pretty cool. So you can see the design. Kind of has a lip. See that? So, which I like because I was looking at the Advans for the Tacoma, the RSD, whatever it was. I totally forgot. But it looks cool. It's a little more aggressive. It has like spokes, little thin spokes that go down, and they look really cool. Actually, I was on the fence and almost was gonna get them, but it just First, the price was a little, they couldn't really do it too much for the price. And kept thinking about it. Well, there's a higher chance for those things to get messed up because they actually protrude out more. And so these styles both look good. Actually, a very similar tire to this is the SCS F5. So those are pretty cool. Actually, I like them. A lot of people rock them. Just maybe a little bit too many people rock them. And I've always wanted to stick with my JDM heritage, basically. And these, when I saw these, I thought these were great. And plus, I haven't really seen these on a red, or Barcelona red particular model. So yeah, I can't wait to see how these suckers look on them, because damn, they look so sick. So I'm gonna have to put these stickers on there somehow. I don't know how confident I am in putting these work stickers on here, but I'm gonna have to do it eventually, or I'll have the shop that mounts them do it. I'm thinking about going to 88 rotors because they do a lot of good work, and also maybe like go through them with doing some like CAD. It's called CMC, cab mount cutting. See all this stuff I learned for the Tacoma and lifting it up. Basically where they chop the piece of the cab, or body mount cutting, that's what they call it. So it's essentially the same thing. So they could fit the certain tires or wheel setup that you have. So my plan is to go with 33s. And so yeah, we'll hopefully we get these on there as fast as possible. But I still need to get my suspension parts. So with that said, just kind of I'm glad that you're joining my build here. But yeah, so these are the work Meisters. Let me kind of give you guys a better like view of it. So okay, you can see that concave rip right there. Go like that is inside. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's pretty cool. So it's 6 spokes. I mean 6 lugs. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta get some lug nuts. Yes, so these are the work. I keep forgetting damn numbers. S1HC. Well, I just call them work Meisters for the Tacoma trucks, or you know, bolt pattern. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that. Oh, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you love it, hit the subscribe and hit that bell, you know? Because this is going to be a crazy build, and I'm kind of glad that we're starting this during this whole crazy pandemic. And now there's riots everywhere. It's kind of crazy. 2020 is kind of crazy. Good time to build a Tacoma. But yeah, peace.